I'll guide you through how to make money on TikTok. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To start making money on TikTok, open the app on your phone and log in. Or create a new account if you're new to the platform. Once you're in, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Begin by creating engaging and consistent content focused on a specific niche, such as lifestyle, beauty, education, or entertainment. Use trending sounds and relevant hashtags, and make sure to interact with your audience by replying to their comments. This helps boost your engagement and grow your following. As your content gains traction, open the TikTok shop for the shopping cart icon or via the TikTok Studio. Sign up for the TikTok affiliate program by filling in your details and agreeing to the terms. After registering, head to the product marketplace, choose items to promote, and create promotional videos that include your affiliate links. You'll earn automatic commissions for every purchase made for your link. Once your account reaches 1,000 followers, you'll unlock the TikTok Live feature. Go live, engage your audience, and receive virtual gifts, which will be converted into real money. Congratulations, you're now set to earn from TikTok.